Hello, and welcome to the PollEverywhere.com presentation. My name is Jacob, and I will guide you in using PollEverywhere.com in a classroom setting. Let's begin. PollEverywhere.com is a tool used for taking polls. It allows for open-ended questions and is great for teacher use. Some system requirements of PollEverywhere.com include having an internet access or texting available within the classroom setting. This allows for participants to text their answers into the PollEverywhere.com server and receive their answers in a timely manner live while the PollEverywhere.com app is available and up. The costs for PollEverywhere.com vary. In fact, let me bring up some for you. For a K-12 teacher, it includes 40 responses for one teacher. Now, if it was for one teacher and they wanted grade reporting, response moderation, custom keywords, and response segmentation, that would be bumped up to $50 a year, and so on and so forth. Different packages cost different amounts. This can go all the way up to $1,400 for a business package. Some pros of PollEverywhere.com are its ease of access, its simplicity, its large group of people. It's able to look at the polling results for large groups of people at once. Its mobile app allows for also answering polls without having to text and have rates apply, and that the questions can be changed to being open-ended or segmented or very stable, such as a multiple choice or true and false question. Some cons of PollEverywhere.com are it limits every question to the questions that you present to your public. This means that you cannot answer other people's questions, such as a voter registration turnout or a do you like the color blue or yellow across a statewide survey. Another con is that this requires payment, but as this is a business, everything requires payment. Here's a video about some quick usage on PollEverywhere.com.
Hi everyone, this is Evan Rubin at the Language Acquisition Resource Center, and this short tutorial is going to show you how to use PollEverywhere, a great program to bring mobile devices into your language classroom, or any classroom at that matter, and you can use your mobile device to provide instant feedback or do these fun polls. So let's take a look at some of the settings and how to create a poll and get yourself organized. So first you need to sign up or log in. I'm going to log in.
Notice that this user is a Spanish user. He sets up his questions so that they will be able to answer them in Spanish, or as he is doing right now, favorite color. Right here he is showing a multiple choice or open-ended question. These are multiple choice answers. Before it was open-ended, as right there, where participants could write in their answers. With this program, you can see that you text your code 37607 or whatever randomized code that you are being given to that number 37607. That would be the server number. These numbers would display your polling results throughout the entire process. Its usefulness in classrooms does not stop at just taking questions. In fact, student participation can be very much used for this exact same polling exercise. Social studies can use it for voting in case that they were reenacting a voter turnout registration in a history lesson. Also, group questions could be answered this way. For English, you can decide which books by voting again. Also, we can vote on what the author would be meaning by a certain selection, such as if the author believed that the color red was important in some way. For math, you can also do this for answering questions, or say that there is a group setting and everyone was working out these questions. Then these groups decide what would be the best answer that is put upon the board after working out within these groups, and decide upon what answer is best put up in the multiple choice selection. Useful tutorials are polleverywhere.com/guide and www.polleverywhere.com/poll_everywhere_communications_best_practices.pdf. And these are my sources. Now, thank you, and have a pleasant day.